Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually change the language settings inside your Disney Plus account. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want is a browser and go to the Disney Plus site and sign into your existing account. Now from there we go to the top right corner, and what we won't click, what you probably will do, is go to the app settings or your account. What we will do is actually go down to edit profiles and select the account that you want to edit the language by. So go to profile, and from here, as you can see, here are the profile settings, and here you see the app language. Now as you can see, you can change it to whatever you like. Let's say you want to change it to the English UK version, simply press it and that should be it. Now it reloads your account, press done, and then you can use the application in the set language. Now if you still get any questions regarding this video, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Appreciate it a lot. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.